Hey guys, I'm Joe here from Propagation Labs in beautiful British Columbia, and in this video I'm going to show you a little bit about how to get the best data out of your scope digital penetrometer. There's a previous video on the basics of using it and how to get everything set up. Go watch those videos if you're looking for the basics. This video is on troubleshooting, common pitfalls, and how to get the best data for your snowpack. The application on your phone groups profiles by time and location. There's an algorithm that will group similar profiles from the same location around the same time so that you don't have to go through and manually group those. But it is important that your scope is paired to your phone in order to transfer that time and location. Without that connection, they won't be tagged correctly, and then you'll have to go in and manually add that information. Additionally, the scope probe has a much smaller cross-sectional area than, say, you doing your pit in a hand hardness. You also can't see anything that's under the snow, such as trees or buried ski tracks. So we recommend taking a couple profiles to make sure that you can filter out any anomalies that are under the snowpack that you can't see. So usually what I do is I've got my scope out, and I look for a nice spot to probe. I'll make sure that I'm paired, looking at the blue LED here, and we'll go through our probing. I'll take a profile, and now I'm looking at the status LED. I've got a blinking green, which means that was a successful profile. If that is a blinking red light, it might mean that you're hitting air pockets under the ground, and then you'll have to look at your phone for the specific error message. But again, that was just one profile. Usually I'll take a couple steps, try again. Again, I'm looking at that status LED to make sure that it's successful. Again, a blinking green, and again, I felt a buzz in my pocket, meaning that the profile is transferred. So usually I like to take anywhere from 3 to 5 profiles if I'm just doing a quick stop, and even up to 10. It takes almost no time to take additional profiles, and if you do care about the data, you'll definitely be able to recognize any kind of spatial variability issues of the more profiles you take. One of the common pitfalls of using this device is not entering the snow in a way that this sensor window is in contact with the top layer of snow. So when you're probing, it's really important to make sure that this window is in contact with the snow throughout your entire probe. That gets really easy deep in the snowpack when the entire thing is lined up straight, but at the start of your probe, it's really easy to enter at an angle and then cause an air pocket where you should be probing, something like that. And I can displace all this snow really easily, which is causing that sensor window to be not in contact with the surface of the snow. So, to avoid that issue, I recommend looking at the window and almost adding a little bit of side pressure on the side that the window is while probing.